game has become more serious as we have started getting more and more Samsung Galaxy S10 leaks. We just saw a report claiming that the priciest variant of the S10 will feature a 6-camera configuration, a massive 6.7-inch beautiful OLED display, and 5G compatibility. If we expand the info available right now, the rear quad camera setup on the S10 Plus will accommodate the same dual camera sensors used on the S9 Plus, with the third being a 120-degree wide-angle lens, and the fourth sensor has not surfaced any spec leak yet. But according to the Wall Street Journal, this particular camera strategy will help Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to produce some of the great pictures out of it. Additionally, you should expect the dual front cameras to be a typical standard and wide-angle setup. I do have some good hopes for a massive megapixel count so that the device could support 8K video recording. At the same time, we should not expect it to be as great as the professional Red camera because they are unbeatable in every aspect they've got into them. Moving to the massive display on S10 Plus, I think Samsung took this step to compete with the Huawei Mate 20 series. I mean, just look at this report. The S10 Plus is suggested to feature a 6.7-inch display, a rear quad camera setup, a dual front camera setup, and it also mentions the reverse wireless charging support on the beast. These features are too much, and if they arrive on the S10 Plus, Huawei Mate 20 series is all over. Well, after that, the million-dollar question is, will the Galaxy S10 Plus have all of this? I'm kinda confused at this point as Samsung just upgraded the S9 series and Note 9 in terms of every possible aspect, but there are some chances too. The Galaxy S10 Plus will be a part of 10th anniversary S-series phones, and to make it remember, Samsung may do this. There are also heavy hopes on the S10 to highlight 2019 for the Korean giant. Also, we should take this as a pinch of salt for now, and let's see what happens next. Ice Universe has started supplying leaks for the upcoming S10 series, and according to him, the S10's Infinity OS screen is called Hall-in Active Area by Samsung, which is a company exclusive OLED screen technology. This means it will remain to S10 for a couple of months and then it will be diversified. So for those who are planning to buy the S10, you'll be getting an exclusive phone. He has also posted some tempered leaks for S10 and it clearly shows an incredible design aspect adopted by Samsung. You shouldn't expect a thick bottom bezel after watching these, as it's some type of illusion that appears every time in leaks. I'm not saying that there will be no bezel at all, but it should be noticeably thinner than all current phones. The chin cannot be removed completely as it's required for antenna clearance area. This tech is very important for the mobile network, so yeah, the width of the forehead and chin will not exceed 2mm on the S10. Additionally, Samsung Mobile.news suggests that the S10 Lite will not feature Hall-in Active Area. Instead, you'll be getting a regular S9 design with much thinner bezels. This is obviously a cost-cutting method by Samsung. Now, you must be getting confused over the design of S10. Let me explain. The device will have a hole for camera and all the important sensors and speaker. There's no solid info over the sensors placement, but you should expect 2 sensors under the screen and 1 sensor on the top bezel along with the speaker. The chin of device will be equal to iPhone XS, and it's all because of the antenna clearance area. That said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.